Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the SQL tutorial. So today we're going to discuss about how to configure SQL Server to send emails. So we all know that email functionality almost in each and every software. There is a mail functionality, right? To send notification to the users, right? Okay. So using SQL Server, we're going to see how we can send mails. Okay. So SQL Server has inbuilt stored procedures and configuration options. Okay. So there are some basic steps we need to follow. So that's nothing but enable data. First, we need to enable the database mail, clean up old config, create Gmail account, link that, send the mail. That's it. And maintain logs if needed. Okay. So these are the list of inbuilt system stored procedures, okay, provided by the SQL Server. Okay. So what we'll do is we will just simply use this all. Okay. So what I did is here I created one procedure, and inside that I have written all the code. Okay. So using ChatGPT, okay, ChatGPT will easily provide this code. Okay. So if you write simply how to configure SQL Server to send emails, okay, so automatically a step-by-step code you can get from ChatGPT. So first see the demo basically. So temporal mail, okay, I'm gonna copy this. So Gmail address, sender is, this is my Gmail ID, and this is my app password of 16 characters, right? So you will get this, okay. So inside our Gmail account, right, search for app password. So as you can see, this is the path I have given here for reference. Okay. So inside the security, search here app password. Okay. Here you just mention the name, let's say mail1 kind of. Okay. Click the create button. So automatically, as you can see, 16 characters password is generated. Okay. Copy this. Okay. And what you need to do is paste here. I have already created the previous one, so I'm using that. Receiver's address, subject, and this is the code. Test email, let's say, and this is the code, kind of. Okay. So I'm gonna execute this patch only. Done. Now let's see. Your inbox is empty. Just wait a minute to receive the mail. Yes, we got. So as you can see, we got the message. So simply what we did, inbuilt stored procedures we have, okay, as discussed. Okay, these all stored procedures. What we did is we have executed one by one. Okay, one common procedure I just written one by one as per the flow, and using a stored procedure. Okay, these are the basic parameters. Okay, what we need is Gmail address, app password, receiver's address, what subject and body. That's it. So okay, simply as per the given step, we need to enable, we need to create the Gmail account, okay, link that and execute the procedure. As simple as that. So if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So use cases, email verification. Of course, in each and every software we have email verification, right? We create the user, okay, so we need to verify the given email address, right? OTP, one-time password we send through emails, and automated alerts or notification, right? So for this type of purpose, we can use this functionality. So this was all about in this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.